Hello, everyone. I'm Kingsley, and I'm a co-founder at Joovlin. Joovlin is building a B2B omnichannel supply chain tool, enabling enterprises to digitally salvage their distribution channel. The main problem is that the supply chain is essentially broken. Brand manufacturers are not able to efficiently leverage the manufacturer-distributor-retailer relationship due to bottlenecks. A typical supplier within our radar has an Instagram page or a Facebook page or both. And then they regularly upload and update these pages, run adverts, amass followership, and then bring the followers down to their Telegram channel or their WhatsApp page. On this WhatsApp page is where they manage these retailers. They post products regularly on the page, and then the other process is this. When somebody is interested in buying a product, they post the product image on the supplier's direct message. Supplier supplies the price of the product and then supplies the bank detail. Then this customer goes to make payment and then return with a proof of payment to the supplier on WhatsApp. Supplier manually checks his bank detail to see if the payment is there, he verifies the payment manually, and then sorts the stockpiled orders and sends it to a logistics person who delivers the products. Now, this is a very, very long process, and the customers of Joovlin thinks this is way too complex for them. It's a process that delays their time and wastes a lot of energy because it requires a lot of these suppliers to chat with each retailer that wants to make a purchase. They go back and forth before a payment is completely made for the product. Even at that, a lot of the retailers stockpile their order for some time. A retailer can make 10 orders in 7 days and then want the supplier to deliver all of these orders at once so as to reduce the delivery charges. Now, imagine a supplier skimming through charts to find all the orders and then looking for one item at the order and sorting them to prepare for delivery. This is hell for a supplier who makes sales as much as 1,000 orders within a sales sprint. Joovlin's vision is to be the WhatsApp for commerce, just as Slack is the WhatsApp for work. We have built a unified platform that looks like WhatsApp in design, but it's a B2B e-commerce platform. It has a group where the supplier manages all his retailers. It has a catalog where the supplier lists a product, and then the retailers can, from the group or from the catalog, make direct orders. It doesn't end there. The supplier also have an e-commerce website complete with domain name generated for them the moment they set up their account on Joovlin. So they can share this, the link to this e-commerce website to their customers, especially the ones that are not yet a complete repeat buyer. They can share it on Instagram, put it on their bios on Instagram and Facebook, and then get people to buy from them right from that link. From there, they convert these people to continuous buyers and put them in a group to manage them. Joovlin is not just a commerce tool for them. They can also post products directly to Instagram, to Facebook, even to WhatsApp and Telegram, just as they share their products on WhatsApp. So for one-time posting on their group on Joovlin, this same product is visible on their e-commerce website with their domain name. It is visible on their social media like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, etc. And then we are integrating a Web3 wallet to enable them to also make international payments, because local payments have barred the use of local cards for international payment, and this has become a bottleneck. So these people can't even make payment for stuff like adverts on Meta platforms or on Google. Joovlin helped them solve all of this by enabling them to generate adverts for the Meta platform and for Google platforms right from the Joovlin platform. So this is a truly omnichannel solution, and it helps them solve all their problems just being in one app. They can even read their DMs from Instagram and Facebook. They can reply to their customers right from the Joovlin mobile app. Our competitors are mostly Shopify, and WhatsApp for Business. But WhatsApp for Business doesn't solve the problems that will solve for them. It's just a place where they display images of product and then interact with customers. Joovlin goes beyond just a chat app. It is also an e-commerce where they can make complete order. ShopifyPlus is a bit cumbersome and is hellish compared to Joovlin. Joovlin is the simplest e-commerce you'll ever see. For instance, it will take up to 10 steps to upload a single product on your e-commerce website on Shopify. For Joovlin, this is just 2 steps. Besides, on Shopify, you upload 1 product at a time. On Joovlin, you can upload as much as 100 products. So posting a product to Joovlin is as easy as just sharing images on your WhatsApp group. This is a $600 billion market globally. Joovlin is targeting Africa, Asia, and some parts of Europe, which is estimated at $18 billion. We are targeting 16% of the market share, valued at $3 billion. How we make money? We add 3% markup to every product listed on the Joovlin platform, and then we charge $10 per month subscription for SaaS SME features. We also charge $200 to larger enterprises for more enterprise features. We have tested the market with our web app and then gotten a lot of feedback from our users. And so far, our traction have shown positive growth. We have shown 225% quarter-on-quarter growth consistently. And then we've delivered up to 30,000 products since we started operating the platform. Revenue have reached $101,000 and gross merchandise value have reached $834,000. We plan on raising $500,000. We already have $100,000, and the target now is to raise an extension to our proceed of $400,000 to consolidate our growth and keep expanding our reach. The team behind this is myself, Kingsley. I'm the CEO and a co-founder with skills in product design, UI, UX, business development, and sales. Yusuf is our CTO with skills in full stack development. He is also vast in mobile development, blockchain, AI, etc. Lucky is our sales lead and has vast experience in enterprise sales. Together, we're trying